So here we go. Now we're going to be working, we're going to continue working on a Senfi app. And for that, I'm going to open it, send back. I'm loading all of my secrets now with okay, give me a second. Yeah, the address is already in use. Let me kill this. Clear, v1, clear. Okay, now I'm gonna launch Android Studio. Well, actually, I only need the phone. Let me just close this. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close this, exit, terminate. I'm gonna click here on open Android. Let me see if it actually opens it. Send native. I'm just gonna open it manually. Device manager. I'm gonna open my device. Oh, I didn't know you could actually add displays. This is cool. Yep. So here, damn, it's actually loading the entire thing. Well, anyways, while this thing loads, I need to see where we are right now. So I ended up applying a lot of the agents. Goodbye side panel. And I need to have some sort of UI feedback. Right, I have this in Spanish. It's okay. Let's wait for it to load. One of the things that we're going to be doing right now is we'll be using GLM 5.2 and Opus. And you're going to wonder why these two. Because have limits. I've been using GLM 5.2 and it's a little bit chatty, but it's doing its thing. It's actually really good. I've been surprised. It's doing really well. Oh, no. That's not the application we're going to work today. Sorry, guys. It's going to be the Expo app. This is a Tailscale URL. This one actually works. Jesus Christ, the computer just feels very slow. Very slow. It isn't as responsive as it used to be. Memory is almost used completely. I wonder why in the world Node.js needs to eat up like half of the CPU. Jesus Christ. Is it loaded? I think it's loaded. The thing is that I don't think I have like the, yeah. Okay. Okay, so here we are. We are designing an onboarding. And let me see what in the world did this thing ended up doing. I think I did not check any of the code. And that's a problem because, okay, onboarding. Layout, index. You see, use language, I don't like this. Use router. You know what? I think that we can create something like this. It's gonna be very necessary. Create a hooks folder. How do you add a new folder? D. Hooks. Hooks. And now we can actually add a new file. Directory. I'm gonna call it use router. For this function, use navigation. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna route. And let me see if we can actually type this. Use router, imperative router, router. No, I think that the best way to do this is going to be with the following. We're gonna rename this to types. I'm gonna tell it. I'm gonna tell GLM. Let me see if well, this is gonna be Opus, right? I'm gonna tell it. I want you to augment the use router from Expo, and all of its methods replace push. I want it to be typed with my routes file. Let me see. See, so while that works, let me see what it did end up doing. Okay, pressable. The problem with this, you know what is the problem? Let me see what it did. So I asked it to actually do a lot of things. So it says user effect auth. Query. No, we're actually gonna create a new folder called domain. More like services. And we're gonna move the user. Gonna move the auth. How do you? Okay, I'm gonna move it to services. Alexa, set alarm in 25 minutes.
25-minute alarm set for 10:10 a.m.
Yes. close. And hi, Smuntar. How's it going? We're building a financial tracking app that will load your it will base will read your email, connect to your bank if possible, and will make a dump of all your transactions. Also connect with Google Pay and Android to read, transact in real time. And we will be then creating some sort of companion that will be helping you identify I wonder what did this thing actually end up doing? Okay, so now we're gonna move all of these things. Utils, screen, redirect. Okay, let me see what I ended up doing. So it generated okay. Holy shit, what are all of these files? On track. Oh right, I moved all the folders, right. Um, okay, so we wrapped a new router as type router. Okay. Yeah, this was gonna be like a very advanced TypeScript. Imperative router K. Expo router, okay. K extends href. Infer href rest. Oh wow, this is TypeScript that I don't even know how to write. Route, app route, rest. Okay. Load current user. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, environment is, we can actually close this. Okay, now we are gonna create git add gcf added the user tag, type the router, and push this. And now let's see, what can we do with Studio? Requiring module, unknown module 5344. Okay. Okay, we're gonna reload. Now I'm gonna send the magic link. The only thing is that mailinator.com. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's a deep link. I'm gonna come in here, open the browser. Why didn't this work? I think let me see. Senfi. Okay. You know why the Senfi deep link isn't working on Android Studio? first effect. With auth cookie. Get current user. Okay, give me 1 second.
Shadow and the smoke in your eyes. I am the ghost that hides in the night.